I met Daniel.
It was horrible because of just how gruesome and insane that scene was. And that is not something that people see every day. Evidence detectives came out. I didn't think that it could get this
right
really
here.
nice smoker.
Just
I
eat right
remember
here.
closing it, and for a second, I'm like, wait a minute. As a cop, this human life just disposed of in such a inhumane way. I thought that was. Yeah, just have some.
All right, Candy. We have a body there at your house. Okay, I need to understand why this happened.
In San Antonio, this was a very big case at that time because the Texas Mexican Mafia is a feared gang in the city. And the brutality on this case was a total stamp of what they would do. They beat him with bats, they killed him, they dismembered him, they burned him up. The Texas Mexican Mafia has been rooted here since the 80s. And they operate off of the I-35 corridor, a highway which runs from Mexico all the way up to Canada. And that's a major route for drugs or human trafficking. She finally came forward and explained her involvement in the case.